Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a Halloween candy corn nail and showing how I do my 3-color ombre in real time. A viewer asked me to do a video where I show how I do my ombre, and I wanted to do a candy corn nail for Halloween, so this was the perfect time to do it. So most of this video is in real time. So what you saw me doing there was applying my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nails, and if you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails to build my nails. I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. Now, using my milky white dip powder, I apply 1 layer to the nail. This is also an optional step, but I like placing the lighter color first, just to gauge how far down the darker color will be, so I'll have a better idea how the ombre will turn out. Now, these are the brushes that I usually use to do my ombre. They are acrylic brushes that I have had laying around. It is in the number 10, 8 and 6. Never use the same brush to do the ombre, that never works out. So now I start by applying base to the whole nail, and then I start off at the tip of the nail with the white dip powder, and I'm doing light tapping of the brush on the nail, but don't be too slow with it, and I move my finger from left to right to ensure that the nail picks up the powder. Then I do the orange and the yellow dip powder. My ombres are still sometimes a hit or miss because I still get those sharp lines where the ombre isn't blended properly when I do the sprinkling method. So when you're finished with that method and brush off the excess, wait about 10 seconds and then do the scrub method to get a nice ombre. Sometimes I don't wait and the nail is still a bit wet and it gets a little smudge. So don't do that. Ensure that the nail is at least set a little before you start the scrub method. So now I'm doing my second layer. I apply base to the whole nail and then I start from the cuticle area and do the same thing. I usually do 3 layers and then I encapsulate to build the nails further. So this is the speed I go when achieving my ombre. So I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. So from here, I speed up the video a little, and I'm sorry that the video was so long. Blame it on the viewer that wanted it, not me. So I just encapsulate the nails with some clear dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I'll only be showing one layer. Okay, well, I'll only be showing 2 layers. After encapsulating the nails, I applied activator and I waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Model 1's gel top coat to my nails and I cured for 30 seconds. Then I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!